I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware deliberately. This prevents errors. Power down, wear an anti-static wrist strap and install the CPU and cooler with the correct orientation. Next, insert RAM into the primary slot and attach storage. 2 first if available, otherwise SATA. Plug in the 24-pin ATX and 8-pin CPU power. Then connect your display and USB keyboard. Once done, press the power button and be ready to enter the BIOS using Delete or F2 when the Esonic logo appears. Once in BIOS, check the current firmware version and update only if the release notes fix relevant issues. Use the vendor USB method to avoid bricking. Set SATA mode to ASI when installing an SSD. This improves performance. If you have XMP-capable RAM, enable XMP to reach rated memory speed. Just make sure stability testing follows. Next, set the USB installer as first boot device and disable Legacy (CSM) for pure UEFI installs. Save changes and reboot to the Windows installer. Boot the Windows installer and choose Custom Install. Select the correct drive and format partitions or create a new layout. Leave UEFI system partition alone if present. After installation, install the motherboard chipset drivers first, then LAN and audio, followed by GPU drivers. This order ensures devices enumerate properly. Once complete, run Windows Update and create a system restore point. If a device shows an error, reload the BIOS defaults and reapply your XMP or firmware update. This often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.